What's up, NCK fam? What's up, NCK fam? It's your girl Nelle, back in with another video, and in today's video I'm going to do the get to know me tag. So I have my laptop here. I'm just going to be answering some questions so you guys can get to know me better. Kay did a version of this before, and so it's my turn. All right, so first up, what's your middle name? Abigail is my middle name. Shana Abigail White. Okay, share your favorite subject in high school. I liked art. Okay, it says a favorite. I'm just gonna list what I want to list. So I liked art, I liked creative writing, I liked financial literacy, what else? I liked English, I liked physics, but that was like not really, that was more like middle school. No, that was high school. I liked physics. What else? What else did I like, Chanel? Oh, and I liked cooking class. And fun fact, I was actually part of the cooking club too. So I did cooking class and cooking club. All right, so what's your favorite drink? Is this alcoholic or non-alcoholic? I'll do both. So non-alcoholic would have to be, well, I like water. I also like ginger ale. And when I'm flying, I do tomato juice. I also like grapefruit juice. Okay, this is saying your favorite, but I want you guys to get to know me, so I'm gonna list all of them. So for alcoholic, I love me some like white wine, but like sweet, not the dry sweet. You can hit me up with a Long Island iced tea any time of the day. Some Malibu and some pineapple juice. That's the go-to one. What would you name your children? Do I want to have kids? I feel like I had a list before, but I don't remember. Let me actually consult my list. Okay, so I found my list, which was made in 2018. So August to be specific of 2018. So for boys' name, I have Seth, Anchor, Koa, and Cree. And for girls' name, I have Rayma, Calvary, Ryan, Rain, Elizabeth as just one name, Anchor, again, Cree, Capri, Noah, and Cedier Ryan. Is that Cedier or CDA? I don't know. But that's what I have from before. Currently, I don't really know. Let's just move on. Okay. Have you participated in any sports? Yes. Senior year of high school. What I like to do is like get a full experience out of everything that I do. So in senior year, I played girls varsity tennis and I played on the bowling team. So I'm a two-sport athlete. Actually, let me get my awards for you guys. Okay, so this is my reward. This is my MVP award for bowling. This is my MVP award for tennis. This is another award for tennis. I think they gave those to the seniors. Yeah, they give these ones to the seniors, and this one is for bowling. Like in my house, and I also won another award that night, for like leadership. Yeah, in my house, if you actually come to my room, I have a lot of medals. I have a lot of awards. I don't want to brag or anything, but like my room is like decked out with like awards and medals. In my living room too. Like I have a lot. Yeah, I can even tell like what clubs I was in high school. So I was those two. I did cooking club. I was in National Honor Society. I was in Beta Club. I was in student government. Was there anything else? No, I don't think so. All right. And I have like awards from like church and stuff too. Stuff like that. So, what's your favorite book? I don't read. Do you guys see this stack of books right here? And you guys can't even see the whole thing. I collect books. I don't read books. When I go back to school and I show you the big bookshelf that I have, I don't read, I collect. So when I get my own home, I'll have a nice library. I do not read. But Jodine, if you're watching this, shout out. Let's actually read another book together. Like, actually read. But yeah, I don't read, but I collect. The longest book I've ever read was the Hunger Games trilogy. And when was that? In elementary school? I don't read. But I guess my favorite book would be the Bible, because that's the only thing that I actually read every day. Favorite color is black. I hate pink, hate purple. Favorite animal is a llama. Favorite perfume. I like the water, like the water smell. There's this perfume called cold water. Cool water. I love it. I actually have another water scent. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not the same as cool water, but it's like kind of similar. It's by Tommy Bahama. I got it for, I think, Christmas. It's like very like nice. I don't know how to describe it. Like, not oceany, but I don't know. That's my favorite scent. Cool water. Favorite holiday is Christmas. I love me some Christmas. I love Christmas carols. I love Christmas movies. My favorite Christmas carol is The Christmas Song by Nat King Cole. And my favorite Christmas movie is How the Grinch Stole Christmas with Jim Carrey. Perfect. Scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your childhood? I rated like an 8. Like, I had a good childhood growing up. I didn't really lack anything. Like, everything I wanted to do, I was able to do. Like, I wanted to learn piano, so I did. I wanted to ride dolphins, like dolphin riding, so I did. I vacationed like every year. Like, everything I wanted to do, I basically did. Like, I wanted to learn guitar, so I got one. I never really lacked anything. I mean, there were some things that like weren't the best, but in terms of like looking back and rating it, I didn't live a terrible life. I grew up with my grandparents, as you saw in the video, and so I had like that built-in support system, so I didn't really live a bad life. Okay, so where have I traveled to? Let's see. Y'all know I went to Italy, so Florence. In Italy, I went to where did I go? It's so sad that I don't remember where I went. I have to go back to Nelle to see where I went. So in Italy, I went to Florence, and then I went to Palermo, which is Sicily. So I went to Sicily, and in Sicily, I went to Palermo, which is the best. If you haven't been to Palermo, I would highly recommend. It's more like for single people, so I'll go to Palermo. I went to Syracuse or Syracusa. I went to Argento. I went to Taormina, Catania. I went to where else? I went to Venice. I went to, I'm pretty sure there was like other spots in there that I didn't name in my description, but I went to like little trips. Berlin, of course. I forgot what side of Berlin I was on. And so that's recent. For like other trips, I definitely had to ask Mama Nell to help me with that. And so I'm from Jamaica, so I've been there. I went to Puerto Rico. When I was little, remember I said I was going on vacation, so I took a lot of cruises, or like I always stayed at like hotels. And so we go to Mexico a lot. And so in Mexico, I've been to Cozumel, Cancun, Los Cabos, Tulum, Playa del Carmel. I think that was it. And then I've been to the Bahamas. I've been to DR. Aruba, did I say? I had them listed here, but then I just lost it. So those are all the places that I've been. And I do have a list of where I would like to have gone for my study abroad experience, which include Paris, England, Ireland, if you know, you know, Spain, Morocco, Czech Republic, Russia, Rome, Croatia, Hungary, and Capri. Oh, I've been to St. Thomas. Okay, I also been there. But for those who don't know, all my friends studied. Okay, not all, but the majority of people. You hear Mama now? I've been where? Turks and Caicos. Yeah. So my majority of my friends studied abroad. So the plan was we go see each other in all these different places. So that's why some of these names are, some of these places are on here. But yeah, those are the places I want to go before 2025. So I've been to St. Martin's. All right. The French side, nice. Okay. So, do you speak any different languages? I speak in tongues. But if you want me to say a few phrases, words in Italian, I surely can. The whole point of going to Italy was just to improve on my language and become like fluent, but because I didn't like stay the whole time, I wasn't really able to get fluent in Italian. So when people ask, I mean, I put it on my resume just to make me look nice, but if somebody were like to say, oh, okay, now we're gonna do your interview in Italian, I mean, I would understand, but just a fluidity from my part. So just say English. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother named Maurice. What's your favorite store? I don't really shop. I would just say Kohl's. I love Kohl's. Love the discounts at Kohl's. You just get everything for cheap at Kohl's. Nice quality stuff for cheap at Kohl's. Favorite restaurant? Chick-fil-A. Panera. Those kinds of restaurants? Wendy's, I don't know. But like actual restaurants, I like what's that place called? Cheesecake Factory. I like that. I don't think I have a favorite restaurant. Do you like school? Sure, I like school. I like school when I'm not doing work. I like school. But generally, yeah, I like school. Would I trade school for working? No, because with school you get to socialize and you're like more free with your time, but like with the whole job you're not really that free. So entrepreneurship is amazing. Just gonna put that out there. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Okay, so before when I used to watch YouTube like a lot, I used to, okay, not gonna say that, but my YouTube style, viewing style has changed. So like when I first started watching YouTube like a lot, I used to watch a lot of vloggers. So I would watch Gay Babe TV, Sam and Jenica, what's the other one? April Justin TV. I used to watch, well, remember in the video, my hair tutorial video, which I just did, I talked about watching the set. And like along that chain, like if you know that chain, then everybody who followed that chain. And then I kind of moved to fashion-ish, and so I watched Daquana White, I watched Lace and Leopard, I watched All of Destiny. Well, she does like hair and like vlog and stuff. I watched Be Love, Be Love, Be Love, Be Love, Be Love. Grillin' with AB, the Ellis's. I watched the Atlanta home tours because I like it. Just like looking at the different houses. I watched Selma, I forgot her last name, Rivera. She does like cleaning to give me motivation. And if I don't remember, I'll just probably like write it on the screen, like here coming down or something. I don't know. What is your favorite movie? Okay, so I thought my favorite, okay, Bring it back. My favorite movie. My favorite movie is A Walk to Remember. However, if we're going on favorite based on you really like to watch it versus favorite as in you know it line for line, word for word, not precepts upon precepts, come on scripture, but if you like know it word for word, then A Diary of a Black Woman is my go-to. I know that one word for word, right? I don't need no script. I could tell you exactly where the movie is if you just give me like 2 sentences. I could tell you, you're at scene. So that would be my favorite. And I used to watch it a lot when I was younger because I would like study with my aunt as she was like prepping for her board exam. Is that her board? I don't know. And so in the library, she would just have me watch it while she was studying. So I used to watch it a lot. So Tyler, if you're watching, call me. That's some of your favorite TV shows. So I like Power. I watched that. I watched The Have and the Have Not. So basically, Tyler, call me. Grey's Anatomy, Station 19. Married at First Sight. I just started watching Put a Ring on It. That's from OWN. And is it called Love Retreat? The other one from OWN. Basically, Oprah, you could call me. Oh, do I want Oprah to call me? I don't know. But basically, like stuff on OWN, I watch a lot. SVU, Law and Order SVU. You can catch me watching that on Sundays, on Tuesdays, on Fridays, on Saturdays. Those are their schedules for ION and for USA. So you catch me watching a lot of that every weekend. My mother news. She said, "Oh, you watching that again?" Yes, I am. PC or Mac? I have a Mac. I have an HP. It's actually a convertible one, so it's a laptop. But then I could flip it, which is how I have it now to read me my stuff. Or if I want to make it into a tablet, it's like a full tablet. So, and I got this from Target. What phone do you have? I have the iPhone 12 in red. How tall are you? 5'1", 5'2". Let's just go on 5'1.5". Do you have any pets? Ew. Alright, NCK fam, well that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to get to know me more, even more deeper, let me know and I can do find another one with more deeper questions, because you know what my friends always say? They say that I don't share a lot, and not that I give them shallow answers. It's just that I don't really let people in, but for YouTube I will. So so yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.